sometimes all you want to do is just switch off and disconnect.
Alright. Okay, well you just heard that's on transparency mode at the moment, so I can hear everything. Can Rachel talk?
But have you got music on?
No, nothing at the minute.
Oh, okay.
So I can hear you now.
Okay.
Normal. Speak.
What do you want me to say?
Okay, so it's a bit muffled. Noise cancellation. Wow. That is actually quite incredible. But obviously this is without music. So music's on. So you can talk. Try and talk in now.
What do you want me to say?
Yeah, can't hear.
Can we go home now?
Like literally, this music on, I cannot hear anything, any ambient noise. All these cars driving past. I might be talking a bit loud because of the headphones, but I've got it over half volume in terms of music. I can't hear anything that Rachel's saying. I can't hear anything in terms of traffic. And this is with noise cancellation on. I'm going to switch to normal. I can hear that car now.
That's the loud
I couldn't hear that.
No, he's a louder car.
So that was normal. Now transparency mode. Transparency mode, if you want to talk to me.
I don't know what you want to say.
So even, I could still slightly hear you then, but it's still a struggle to be fair. But transparency mode does open up a little bit more for frequencies for voice and stuff. Normal mode, I could just heard that car go past there. Noise cancellation. When the music's really low, I did hear that car driving past there. But when the music is going, it's pretty much dead. Wow. Yeah, these headphones, in terms of ANC, definitely work. Obviously I'm in a really busy area, lots of traffic around as well. The transparency mode works well. You can hear obviously the traffic going by, you can hear conversations going on. But the full noise cancellation mode, when you're in that music, I couldn't really hear anything that was going on around me, apart from when the music's volume sort of dropped a little bit. I could sort of hear slight bits of movement in terms of cars and stuff. But honestly, as soon as you put these on your head, it blocks out a lot of ambient noise straight away. Now that was quite an extreme test. A very, very loud environment, but it gives you a great idea on how well the ANC technology works within these headphones. Now it's really, really difficult to understand why these are only £89.99, or if you're in the US dollars, $99 mid-range headphones. Now I'm no audiophile, but these headphones, these mid-range headphones have got to be probably one of the best mid-range headphones you can get at this price point, with all the features that are packed into these headphones, which I'll talk about in a moment. First and foremost, how they look. They look absolutely beautiful. This is probably the best colour you can get. There are a couple of other colours you can get in this as well. This is my personal favourite. Design and build quality is excellent. These are 40mm dynamic drivers, and the cups are large. So I've got large ears, so these do literally go over the ear. They're not on it or squashing the ear. They literally go over the ear. So it's a nice, comfortable fit. And then without doing that, going over your ear, there's more of a seal to your head. So even before you turn the headphones on, it's cancel out ambient noise already. Yeah, just because of that extra seal, because it goes completely around the ear and onto the head. There is an 8 degrees floating axis design. So obviously it will adapt with all different types of head shapes to give that sort of extra seal when wearing them. Obviously everyone's head is different shape and stuff like that, so it gives a lot more flexibility with fit. Now inside the left cup you will see a little hole in there. Now this is actually a sensor, so when you take the headphones off, music will stop. When you put them back on, it'll automatically play, which is a cool feature to have on a pair of headphones. Auto detect. So these headphones, fully extendable like that, and they can fold in as well. So gives you extra space in your bag. Also comes with a nice bag as well. It's a blue one. Pop them in there. There you go. Look at that. Headphones are in there. Now you also have the option of using 3.5mm cable. You do get a 3.5mm cable with this as well. So if you don't like it wireless, you do have the option to have it wired. And it also comes in the blue color, matching the headphones. The only slight disappointment I had in the packaging was that it come with a black USB-C cable, which kind of upset me a little bit. How amazing would it look if it was all blue? There are buttons on the cup. So on the right hand cup, there is a play and pause button, so you can play, pause music, you can answer and hang up calls as well, and volume button up and down on there as well. On the other side, we have the ANC button, so you can manually change from normal mode to transparency mode to noise cancellation mode as well. And obviously there's a power button there with an LED light for battery and Bluetooth connection. And for the physical connections there, like I mentioned earlier, 3.5mm socket and a USB-C to charge the headphones. Now in terms of battery life, you can get up to 40 hours playtime with ANC on and up to 55 hours playtime with ANC off. On the back of the cups, you'll also see these little holes. Now these are actually microphones. Now you can use the headphone to make calls through the microphone, and they're also there for ANC. So the microphones will detect the ambient sound around the room while your headphones are on. And then on the inside, the headphones do the magic work. They basically reverse those sound waves. It's called a phase, and it will cancel out those sounds. Now this is adaptive as well, so as you're moving around and walking around, it will adapt the ANC according to the environment. And they do it really, really well, like the test at the start of the video. Lots of the ambient noise was cancelled out brilliantly well. And with these headphones, they also claim to have 2 times stronger voice reduction compared to previous models from Soundcore. So these headphones do support LDAC, so lossless audio. But to activate this, you do have to turn it on within the app. It's not on as standard. Now the app opens up other great options as well with the Space One headphones. You can change the ANC settings within the application as well. There's also plenty of different sound profiles within the app. If you don't like the sound of the headphones straight out of the box, jump into the application and you have so many different options: acoustic mode, bass booster, bass reducer, classical, podcast, dance, deep, honestly, everything. For me, they sound absolutely perfect. A nice amount of bass, clarity, and with the ANC as well, blocking out all the crap outside. It's amazing. That's why I think they are the best mid-range headphones you can get. I'd love to hear or see anyone comment with a pair of headphones that cost, what, I can say 90 quid, $90, that look and sound the way these do, offering all the premium features, the LDAC lossless, the ANC, which is incredibly well done. I challenge you all, I really, really do. What I really like about these headphones is the huge cups, and they go right around your ear like that. So there's no sort of ear fatigue that you do get with the smaller cups, that they're putting pressure on your actual physical ear. This is just securely sealed on the side of your head. And you know, ear fatigue is important. Sometimes my ears used to get hot and sort of a little bit sweaty and a little bit achy when the cups, or maybe if the small cups when they're on the edge of your ear, you do get ear fatigue. But this, perfect. So this video is sponsored by Soundcore, but I guarantee if you buy these headphones or try these headphones, you'll be 100% satisfied with the money that you've paid and the features that you get back from this. It's incredible. Auxiliary input if you like wired, Bluetooth 5.3 if you're wireless, and for that price point, multi-device connection, so you can connect it to 2 devices at once. I've got it on my smartphone and my PC as well, and it's just a case of playing sound on one device, and then when it detects sound from another, it just switches immediately. Challenge you guys, find me something better than this for this price now. But thank you all very much for watching. There will be a link to this in the description below if you want to take a look at the Soundcore Space One. You'd be a fool not to, you really would. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
When you wake up in the morning, darling, I'll be by your side.